Statistics. Mean of grouped data. Mean of grouped data. Generally, this mean is represented by x bar. X bar is equal to, let us consider we have got various observations like x1, x2, x3, x4, etc. up to xn. So mean is the sum of all these observations divided by total number of observations. So what are these x1, x2, x3, etc., xn? These are the various observations. And then n represents the total number of observations. And it is also given by x bar is equal to, assuming that x1 appears 3 times or 4 times or certain number of times. Let me say f1 x1. That is called frequency. x2 appears f2 times. That is frequency. So likewise up to fn xn whole divided by f1 plus f2 plus etc. plus fn. It means we have to add all these frequencies together. So x bar can also be given as the product of, the sum of product of frequencies of different observations divided by the sum of frequencies. And this is also represented as x bar is equal to the sum of, this is called sigma, starting from I is equal to 1 up to n. So it is a product of fi, xi, whole divided by the sum of, that is starting from I is equal to 1 up to n for fi. So the summation of fi representing I is equal to 1 up to n, that is nothing but the sum of frequencies. The sigma fi xi is nothing but the sum of product of x1 and its respective frequency, x2 and its respective frequencies, etc. So this is simply represented in this way. So what is this x bar? This is nothing but the mean. Let us work out an example based on this. Take down the question in the GP. Find the arithmetic. Find the arithmetic mean of the following observations. xi, fi. xi is 3 and it appears 3 times. 4, it appears 4 times. 5, it appears 8 times. 7, it appears 5 times. 10 appears 10 times. So let us draw this as a table. Now we have to convert this in the following table as the following table. We can put xi here and fi here and the product of xi fi. Okay, x is equal to 3, fi is equal to 3, 5, 8, 7, 5, 10, 3, 5, 4, 4, and then 5, 8, 7, 5, 10, 10. Now let us multiply these two. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 8s are 40, 35, and 100. So let us add. So this represents the sum of fi. What about this? This represents the sum of fi xi. So what is this value? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 8, 15, 20, and then 30, sir. 30. And what about the product of the sum of the last column? 9, 25, 65, 100, 200. Okay. Now we have the formula. What is that formula? We can apply this. X bar is equal to sum of I is equal to 1 up to n fi xi divided by summation of I starting from 1 to n of fi. So this is 200 and this one is 30. So you can cancel. So the answer is 6.67, right? So the mean value is 6.67. Okay, take down.